Hey guys, it's John from John's DIY Playground. Today I wanted to review the installation that I did on my Ford F-150 XLT with the NOCO charger, trickle charger, and the AC plug. So to get an idea of where I mounted things is the main intent of this video. So I'll have some still pictures at the end of this video, but here's where I actually put the trickle charger. And that's the Genius 2D, which is a 2 amp charging system. I also put some extra cabling here to protect the cable so it doesn't get cut or anything. Not a fire run, and I just barely really had enough cord to make everything work at this particular setup. I was originally looking at mounting the AC plug to the front of this part of the bumper cover, which is plastic, but right behind it is a lot of steel and there wasn't really enough clearance for the back side of the plug. So what I ended up doing was going down to the fog light, and you can see here I have the fog light just on the side there. It just barely fits this little detent. There's just enough space here, and you use a 2-inch drill bit, and the entire diameter of this thing is 3 inches, so keep that in mind when you're doing measurements. But you can see this thing opens this way. I kind of wanted it to kind of face the wind so the wind couldn't blow it open, and then just plugging in is as simple as going like that and you're good to go. So if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I'll also link to the products in the info description area of my video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some still pictures now. This is John from John's DIY Playground. Have a great day.